Okay, then on to topic 2. So while we were working on our example, we could see that the price had an effect on the number of units that were consumed, meaning the quantity. Now we want to be able to determine the difference by which the quantity changes by, given the difference that the prices changes by. So let's give a very high level example here. When the price was 0, you were willing to consume 100. But when the price went to 20, you changed your quantity from 100 to 60, meaning the change in quantity demanded was 40. When the change in price was 20. Right? Now, if you continue there, you will see that when you moved from that point and the price changed to 40, the change in price was another 20, so the price increased by another 20 rand, but the change in quantity demanded was 30. And then we increased the price by another 20 again, but this time the change in quantity was only 10. So now you can see that as the price changes, yes, we agree that the quantity responds, but they don't seem to be responding at the same rate. Meaning, the change in price is not equal to the change in quantity. If those two were equal, it would mean that the price has got the exact effect in terms of units mathematically on the quantity. Now, when these things are assessed, we then look at the impact of the change in price on the change in quantity. The change in price was 20 for the first point, from 100 to 60, and the change in quantity was 40. Meaning, there was more changes on the quantity side than there was on the price. Now, for us to be able to see the impact of this, we want to then compare the change in price over the change in quantity so that we can be able to see by how much is this particular line affected. By how much is the quantity affected along the line. So, in mathematics, we would say this would be the derivative, which would be the change in price over the change in quantity, meaning 20 over 40.